What's up, guys? I'm Alex Hunter. This is HP Builds, and we are already halfway through this wonderful day we call race day. As you can see, we've upgraded a little bit. We've got us a nice little tent, and it's working really well. We also have some surprise guests today. We pulled some strings and got Dad in here. He's walking around right now, but that's Mom, and of course Ashley's here. But we signed Dad up and put him as a co-driver on the car, and we have been racing. We've done really well so far. Have a slight little issue that I'm about to look at on the car. A guy notified me that might have some bushing play. There was some noise coming out of the front control arm, so as soon as I get done here, I'm gonna go check that out. But right now they're running the second group, and then we're gonna get back out there, run another 4 or 5 rounds and see what we can get done. As of right now, I know I do not have first place, but this is how it all went down. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the first run. Gonna be a little slow, get used to the track, and then it's only gonna get faster from there, I hope. So here goes nothing.
Do nothing.
40.7. 40.7. There's a whole lot more room for improvement on that one.
You think so?
Uh-huh. Alright, guys, this is round number 2 for me. Obviously 40.7 was the first run. Clearly got some room for improvement there. We'll see what we can make happen. Hopefully we'll drop some time.
And perfect timing.
All right. Definitely faster. Heck yeah. 38.7. We dropped 2 seconds. 38.7. We'll take that all day long. Still got room to go. 38.7. All right, guys. So this is round 3 here. We're on 38.7 is the best time. Hopefully we can drop it again. I think so. Kept tapping the rev limiter there. I think I just need to go ahead and feed it another gear, try to get down in the torque. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyways, here goes round 3. 38.7, we're stuck. 38.7. Still a good run though. A little slippery, but 38.7 we'll take it, I guess. Need to keep getting faster. 38.7. Alright, so obviously that third run there was 38.7 as well. I'd like to think we could soak something out. I don't know where I'm losing it at. I feel like I've got the maximum grip out of these tires as I can get. Maybe there's a few more mile an hour somewhere I'm just not seeing. 38.7 should be pretty good right now. It looks like everybody I'm talking to in our class, it's a decent run. I don't know if it's necessarily the best run, but who knows. But for now, we're gonna go sit in this awesome line here of 6 cars, die of a heat stroke, and then go race a car. So we'll see y'all here in just a second. Getting a workout, ain't it? You're supposed to stand there. 38.5, 2/10 of a second. I think we got it on the exit. I don't know if I hit a cone though. It felt like I hit one. All right, guys, 4 runs. 38.5. Now it's Dad's turn to do his last run, and then we'll see y'all after lunch. All right, guys. So I stepped out of riding passenger for Dad, and we got Mom. You ready to be tossed around?
Yep.
Okay. I got a little bit to go, but I'm gonna go video him. Dad's doing all right, no complaints. I, however, just got a decibel reading on me of 97, which up here isn't very good, but it was just a warning. I don't ever see myself getting it higher than that, and it's like 101 or something like that is they shut me down until I put mufflers. But for right now, I'm doing just fine. He told me just keep going. But I can't believe the car hit 97 decibels. That's really freaking loud. But for now, guys, we're gonna let them take a few minutes, get them up here, and then I'm gonna go video them. Hopefully Dad, hopefully Dad does a full send for. So, Mom hasn't been on this channel. Whoa. Anyways, Mom hasn't been on this channel other than her little Vespa that she got. This really isn't her cup of tea. She enjoys being out here and helping us and just enjoying the day with us. But as far as being tossed around in a car, that's really not her thing. I don't know. She doesn't like riding with me, let's just say that. I'm surprised she got in the car with Dad, but they're almost up and we're gonna let her send it. A lot of conversating, so we'll just go over here and watch Jessie. Used to be the fastest in our group until she got rid of the Mustang. All right, here they go. Dad doesn't really comprehend this circle very well. He did all right. All right, here it comes. So what'd you think of being tossed around?
Loved it. Think we'll buy a car.
Oh, we're buying a car?
Maybe so.
Uh-oh. What do you think, old man? You buying a car? All right. They'll probably get a car. All right, guys. So, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining. It's raining pretty good right now. Second group's running still. Just checked the car out. Guy was telling me the front control arm bushing was possibly busted and the whole wheel was shifting. So immediately brought it over here. We just jacked it up. Everything seems to be fine. I don't know exactly what he saw. Maybe just the factory bushing play is what he saw. I don't know if he thought I had polyurethane bushings on the lower control arms, but we're fine. So we're gonna wait for this rain to pass, wait for the second group to get done, and then we're gonna go. Other than that, we clearly probably should put some polyurethane front control arms on the car. So that's the next thing I guess we gotta do. But right now we're eating lunch, getting rained on, and the tent is doing a great job. If you notice, the car's backed in a little bit. We got a little issue with one of the drain plugs for the top. It's a little clogged up, so we had to put it back in there. But other than that, guys, we're having a great day. Everybody's enjoying their day. Even the people that are getting wet out here. Y'all enjoying y'all's day, Miss Umbrella? Yep, she just shut you down. All right, guys. Well, hopefully this rain passes. It don't look too pretty over there, but that's what we did have. This is what we got coming. So we shall see if we get another run. Oh, that's dirty. We shall see if we get another run here in a little bit. Should be about, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes as long as no lightning goes. But for now, guys, I'm gonna get underneath this tent, cool off, and have some fun. All right, guys, so the rain was way worse than just a little rain. It came an absolute monsoon, and they ended up pausing on racing. Obviously, you see, we had to tilt this thing down. Me and Dad were out here holding it. Wind was insane. Rain was coming under it, and we got completely drenched. And now, after a little consideration, these guys have decided that the 4 runs we've got and the 4 runs this group's going to have is going to be the only 4 we run today. So sadly, this day is cut short. So now we're going to load the car up. We're going to load all this stuff up, get it to the house, open it up, dry everything back out, and I guess call it a day. So I guess we'll see you guys back at the house. All right, so we're back home now, and with all the rain we had, we absolutely had to open everything up, dry everything off, including the car. And when I say everything got drenched, I mean it was an all-out downpour. The trailer, or not the trailer, the canopy, we had to put it lower on one side so the air would ramp up it just to hold it down. It went to take off. We had 2 or 3 others beside us that we couldn't even get to because we were holding this one down, that were actually blowing over and completely destroying themselves. That little 30-minute rain burst that we had was a thunderstorm by definition, no doubt. So now that we are done racing for this event, we've got about 2 more weeks before we have to go back up there and race in the next Border Wars. And I know in the last video I said we would be going to deliver a car. Well, with a bunch of different logistics problems, with picking the car up, getting everything the car needed, having to wait a few days to get this and get that, the car's still here. So all I'm gonna do before we go, I'm gonna show you this thing, and there's gonna be a whole different video on this in about a week. So the plan is right now, I have to go up to Michigan for my niece's birthday, and then from there, we're coming home, getting in this thing, and driving it 500 miles. It is ready to go, and it needs nothing now, and it is ready for me and Ashley to take it on its maiden voyage. So, without further ado, this is Eileen. Eileen is a 1989 Fox body. 25th anniversary, super nice car. I'm not even going to give you guys a cold start on this video, but it sounds mean. Engine's been mildly rebuilt. and I don't even know what to say about the horsepower rating on it just yet. Haven't driven it all that much. Got a automatic transmission, 411 rear end gears, super nice car, GT40P heads, bunch more. We'll go over it. But for now, guys, we'll see you guys when we deliver that, and then we get back to racing. Obviously today has been kind of a mess and has not went as planned. Hopefully, we're hoping for about 8 or 9 runs, and we got 4. So we will see you guys later.